I always knew that nursing was my passion. I've always had the heart for helping others, and I just really wanted to make a difference. And so nursing really does give you the opportunity to do that. The journey hasn't been easy, even though it's been a little bit challenging for me. I pushed myself to go a little bit further, but I definitely had a great support system along the way. There was times where I thought maybe I wasn't able to do all of it. My parents were always there to encourage me and to let me know to continue what I imagined, what I envisioned for myself and for my growing family as well. WCU was definitely my first choice. They offer that flexibility, and the faculty supports you in such a genuine way. They just want you to succeed, and so they're focused on making sure you have the right resources. That really worked with me trying to balance school, work, being a first-time mom. So I'm really grateful for WCU because I wouldn't be here